Hi guys, VVG here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a fabric haul. So I did a little bit of shopping during Black Friday. So I'm going to show you what I got. These two are from Core Fabrics, and I only got one specific fabric in their two colorways. I think they had more than two colorways. I think they had four, but I only bought two colorways. And it's a Fleck Italian wool silk sweater knit, again from Core Fabrics. And I bought this color. Isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh. I love this so much. And then I couldn't resist. I had to buy the black one as well. And the colors are just so pretty. Like the little specks in this are too good. I have no idea what I'm making with this. I really don't. I have no clue what these are going to become. I was thinking one could be like a sweater set, like a lounge pant, and maybe like a little cardigan. And I don't know about the other one. I haven't decided, but they had this mustard one that was really pretty too. And then they had this like fuchsia color one, which I ordered, but it's not here. And then Blackbird had a great Black Friday sale. So I bought a couple of things from them. One, I am obsessed with their bull denim. It's one of my favorite denims to buy. I always get it from them. They always have fantastic colors. And so I bought this Cabernet, which is just so like gorgeous. Let me turn it to the right side so you guys can see. It's so pretty. It's soft. It's so, let's see what the weight on this is. Does it say? 10 ounce. So this is a 10 ounce brushed. So it has that sort of soft feel. And I love it. I'm going to make a pair of jeans. I don't know what pair yet. My favorite, of course, is my Sew It Academy jeans pattern. But I'm not sure if that's the one that I'm going to make. I might choose to make a different pattern, but I just haven't really decided yet. So, but I did buy enough to make either like a straight leg or a flared leg. So there's 3 yards of that. Then I also bought from them this lightweight water resistant nylon. This is in a color kale. I bought 3 yards and I really love it. I want to make myself a rain jacket. So that's what I bought this for. And it's just really pretty. It's lightweight. Hubby has a new pattern that released with the Nomi drop. And it's a fantastic jacket pattern, which would make a really great raincoat. So I might use his pattern. Then I got this gorgeous crushed satin. The color is called Juniper, and it's just really beautiful. I want to make a bias cut maxi skirt, and so that's what I bought it for. But then when I unboxed my order the other day and Norris saw this, he was like, yo, what are you going to use that for? And I'm like, so he wants to make something out of it. So I might just give it to him. We'll see. If not, then I'll just have to order more. They did have some other lovely colors. Then I also got this, this is massive, pre-quilted fabric. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I had something in mind when I ordered this, but I don't remember what it was now. But there was a reason why I bought pre-quilted fabric to make a specific pattern. And I don't remember what that pattern is, but you know what would be great in this is my big collar jacket that you guys can purchase at Sew It Academy. You don't have to be a member to purchase some of our patterns. We've been adding patterns that the general public can order, and the big collar jacket is one of them, and that would be really great in this pre-quilted fabric, which I just love so much. And I love the color. If you can't tell, I'm super into this whole like burgundy Cabernet color because this little set right here, yeah. And then I also bought, which I talked about in my last video, is this gorgeous wool. This is also from Blackbird Fabrics. It's the same fabric as the brown coat that I made that you guys can see here. And this coat, it's one of my favorites. I've been wearing it every single day. If I leave the house, I'm wearing my coat. So I wanted to make another one with a wine color, but I think I'm gonna use a butterick pattern. So I don't wanna make the same exact coat, but I still want sort of a long coat. That's initially what I bought enough to make a long coat. When I cut the butterick pattern, which is butterick 7007, I believe, I cut the pattern to make the long version. But now that I have the brown in the long, I think I might want to do a shorter coat in the wine. So I'm still trying to decide before I cut the fabric, but I am so ready to sew if I can find time. I'm hoping that next week I'll start shutting everything down for the year and just sort of spending time trying to work on just fun stuff and projects that I want to get to, and then just enjoy the rest of the month trying to sew just for fun. I might create some content, but I really just want to sew for fun. You know what I mean? And that's about it, you guys. I just wanted to show you my latest fabric haul. I have a couple more videos coming up. One sharing some new ideas and things that I want to do personally for 2026, and I'm super stoked about it. Like, I haven't been this excited about something in a really long time, and I can't wait to share it with you guys and just expand on how, you know, what I've been feeling. And I've started to look for just different avenues, just fun stuff that gives me joy, keeps me happy and entertained and always learning and growing. And so that's just where I am. I hope you guys have the most amazing holiday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Peace.